Hey YouTube, little something different today. We're out here at one of the local state parks looking for fossils. And my daughter has found a shark tooth, so I'll flip the camera around and show you. All right, point to it.
Right here.
All right, that is a little tooth, but still, it's a shark tooth all the same. Pick it up. Take a look. Nice. Anybody know what kind of shark tooth that is? Leave a comment. I'll show you if we get another find. All right, we got another one. Where at? Wait.
Right.
Oh, there it is. Point to it. Oh, I'm in the wrong spot. I don't know what kind of tooth that is.
Me neither.
Pretty cool.
Cool looking one though.
You're finding them today, aren't you?
Yeah, it didn't look like a shark tooth from this side view, but from this side view, it also did kind of didn't. But then the right here at the top in the curve just tells you that it's a shark tooth.
All right, got another tooth. My other daughter found one. So far, I am for O. Flip the camera around. We found another one, but I wasn't recording at the time, so I don't know what kind of tooth that is, but that is some type of tooth. Let's see if I can get it in the palm of my hand. All right, go ahead, take it. All right, I think I got something maybe right here. If it is, it's very, very small. Oh, that's a rock. Nope. All right, I found one. It's not the prettiest, but it is a shark tooth. Let's see if I can hold it up. See the, oh man, I can't see shit. See the little root right there? I don't know what kind of tooth that is. Let me flip the camera around. There's the tooth part, and that's the root up top. All right, got another one over here. It's supposed to be promising. Let's see what happens. All right. Slide to the side a little bit so I can see. All right, don't point it out to me. Hold on. Hold on. Oh man, I'm sorry.
Only hit. It
So,
looks
wait.
like a rock.
Was it in this area?
Yes. No, in this area.
It's in this
In
area?
this area.
Oh man!
You found it?
Here, what's up? All right. Here it is, right there. All right, go ahead and pick it up.
The pretty looking one. Yeah, it is.
Anybody knows what that is?
Whoa, it's beautiful.
Leave a comment. An artifact here. I don't know what that is either. Looks like something from a horror movie.
Whoa.
It does. It looks like something worth keeping too.
Looks like, ugh.
All right, we were just getting ready to leave, and one of the girls found a nice one anyway. We're gonna go take a look at it. Out. I see it already. Oh, that is a nice one. See it right there, guys? All right, go ahead, you can pick it up. Nice tooth. Nice find.
I wonder what type of shark it's from.
I don't know. If you guys know what kind of shark that is, leave it in the comments.
Maybe it's a tiger shark.
Very nice. Flip it on the backside. Ooh, stop moving your hand. I will move the camera. Yeah, if you guys know what that is, leave it in the comment. All right, YouTube, that's it. Just wanted to do something a little bit different. We're actually going to be heading out of here. And if we find something else before we leave, we're going to hit the shoreline. I'll take a video. Later. That's our little roundup. I don't know what that thing is, if you can see it. I think that's a shell, but I'm not sure. That's a piece of bone right there. All right, that's it.